First pieces are going up. With any home project that we decide to do, I always start with looking at inspiration photos. I'll put a few of my favorite ones up on the screen here. It also helps convince my husband that this project is a great idea. So always highly recommend looking for inspiration photos so you have a clear direction of what your goal is. Next step was to measure the office wall. This wall is 12.5 feet wide, 9 feet on the left side, 13.2 feet on the right side. We chose odd numbers because they're always visually more appealing, so 5 sections was the way to go because this wall is so large. For the trim, we purchased from Home Depot. Each long trim piece was 94.5 inches in length. The width of these is 7/8 inches and the depth is at 1/2 inch. Besides the paint and the trim, the materials you're going to need is a ladder, depending on how tall your wall is, a long level, a short level, a nail gun, a tape measure, a pencil, and a miter box. We chose a miter box for all of our cuts because it's automatically set at 90 degrees and at 45, making this process very, very quick. You will also need a table saw if you are working with a vaulted room. This room goes from 9 feet on the left side to 13.2 on the right side, so we did have to utilize the table saw for those angles. Second row is done. Tweaked some of the measurements to make sure we were all good. Oh, it's looking fantastic. Cannot wait to finish the peak. Started with the third row. Trying to figure out the angles is such a struggle. But it looks so good.
And it's a little shorter.